The holiday season is upon us, and as car guys, we know that we're always looking for that special Christmas gift. And today I offer up 5 gifts that you can give to that car lover in your life for under 25 bucks. Oh, and by the way, I throw in some stocking stuffers at the end, so make sure you stick around. Let's get to it. The first item on this list are microfiber towels, just like you see here. Every car person needs a bunch of these. I have literally hundreds of these microfiber towels, and these are basically used for drying your car after you wash it or for quick detailing it when you're out at that car show. This particular deal is 36 of these for $20.99. Pretty awesome stuff. For every one of the items on this list, there is a link in the description. Next, if your car person is anything like me, they probably spend a lot of time detailing and cleaning their car. So I've included a full wash and wax kit here from Meguiar's. Now this kit has nearly everything you need to detail your car. It has a microfiber towel to dry your car. It has a sponge to wash your car and another sponge to wax your car. Meguiar's car wash, car wax, a quick detailer solution, which I'll get to later, an interior detailer, and of course a tire and wheel cleaning solution. This is everything, almost, that you could ever need to clean your car. The full Meguiar's car cleaning kit comes in at $24.68, and it's a really great deal. Now the one thing that the Meguiar's car cleaning kit is missing is actually number 3 on this list. It's something that every person who details their car probably should have, and that is a clay bar solution. You would use a clay bar in your detailing process right after you fully wash the car to make sure as much of the dirt is removed as possible. Then you use the super slick detailing solution that's included in the mother's kit, spray it on your car, and you use that clay bar, you kind of rub it lightly over your car, and what it does is that clay picks up all the embedded dirt and sand and grime that might be embedded in your paint. Man, you're going to get a super smooth finish when you're done with this. And at $18.38, the Mother's California Gold Clay Bar System has everything your car person needs to take their detailing to the next level. Now we all want the exterior of our car to look absolutely beautiful, and the next item on this list will help you take the interior to the next level. The Invisible Glass Car Cleaning Kit. It comes with this really cool tool. It has a removable and fully washable microfiber head that goes right over here. You stretch it over, and then it has this nice little handle. You can use this to get all up in the corners when you're cleaning your interior windows. I love this because I don't have to crawl into the back seat to clean the back windows. I can just stretch over. This will do the whole job. I really hate cleaning windows, and this tool makes it so much easier. The kit comes with this tool, of course, the microfiber cover, and an awesome glass cleaning solution for $19.99. It's pretty epic. Now the next gift on this list helps your car person tie everything together. I always take a cleaning kit with me anytime I go to the car show, and this collapsible trunk organizer is a godsend. Now this folds up completely to be just one little small package, or you can expand it to a bunch of different sizes to fit in just about every trunk. It has pockets for everything that you could need to carry to your next car show, be it window cleaner, all the chemicals, and of course microfiber towels, and maybe even put a couple of apples or a lunch in there. It also has fantastic straps that you can clip on to the little rings that you have in your trunk so the thing doesn't move or roll around in your trunk while you're on the go. This collapsible trunk organizer is just so versatile. I absolutely love it, and at $23.97 you really can't go wrong. Now we get to those stocking stuffers, really quick gifts that you could get for the car person in your life. And just toss those in the stocking. It'll be a nice surprise at the end of your Christmas morning. Meguiar's Quick Detailer. Literally, I never go anywhere without this stuff. Those awesome microfiber towels really go along with something like this. What this stuff is for is that super quick cleaning when you just get your car to the car show after a little bit of a drive. You want to get some of that road grime and dirt off of there. You don't just want to wipe it off with a microfiber towel. You're going to scratch your paint. A couple of sprays of this super slick solution, then you wipe it off with that microfiber towel. Your car is going to look absolutely gorgeous, and you're not going to damage the paint. I take this stuff everywhere I go. I absolutely love it, and it's $8.20. I should have stock in this stuff by now. The next one is a handy safety tool that you can use anytime you're at the gas station just to check and make sure that your tires are safely inflated. This digital tire pressure gauge is $9.44, and it should definitely go in your little cargo pack in the trunk of your car. You should never be without one. You just never know when your car tires are going to be underinflated, and it could be dangerous for you and your passengers. The final stocking stuffer on here is for those guys that have those leather seats. Leather conditioner and cleaner is something that you really should do at least a couple of times a year to make sure that your leather seats are looking fantastic. And that car guy in your life will really thank you, because this is something that's often overlooked. Now for $15.99, this kit comes with both the leather conditioner that's going to keep your leather nice and soft, and then of course the cleaner that's going to take all of that food, grime, and dirt and butt sweat and whatever else you have on your seat. It's going to wipe it right off. Make your leather seats shine and look brand new. I love this stuff. You should definitely check it out. Now, if there's an item every car guy needs that you think would be a fantastic gift, let me know in the comments. If you're even remotely interested in the possibility of getting a 2020 Corvette C8, you want to check out this video to give yourself the best chance to find one. Or if you just want to see my take on the Tesla Cybertruck, you can check this video out right here. The channel's called For the Love of Cars, and that's what it's all about. If that's your thing, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.